So we're busy repairing a BMW E36 window switch where the contact nib has broken. I'm putting bicarbonate of soda on the area where it has been damaged. So I'm just trying to build up an area where there's quite a bit of soda. What you then do is drop some super glue onto the area where you need your contact to be. You can actually add some bicarb on top of the, it's a bit much, but we're covering it. It should dry within seconds. What you then do is sure, it's quite a bit. You can see it's built up this whole area here on the contact. The whole switch moves, so there isn't a working part. The inside of the switch looks like this. You have the plate holding these two contact suppressors. The plate actually holds those two contact suppressors. So I'm going to try and remove this so you can see. They need to go into this ridge on the sides. So we're going to replace the contact suppressor. This plate, if I can get it in. See, that one's moved. This is a problem. Okay, let's just get that out. Oh dear. Let's turn them out so you can see. I'm trying to get them back in. There's one. There's the other one. And then the plate over the top. Like that. And then the cover flips over the top like that. And your switch is repaired.